Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Become a key member of the TWB family by visiting my RedBubble store and ordering your Traveling with Bruce item today. Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. I got some good news today, April the 24th, 2019, regarding the Oasis of the Seas. Looks like she's gonna come out of dry dock in Cadiz, Spain on time. And she's going to make her May 5th cruise starting in the Mediterranean. Those of you who don't know, or those of you who need a little refresher, the ship was here in Freeport in dry dock, right at the bottom there. She was in that dry dock down there when this happened. She shifted over to her starboard side, leaned or listed, and she rubbed up against the dry dock, causing massive damage and having a crane fall right on her, right over the back side of the ship. You can see the crane sticking out the other side. It went from the right side to the left side, and it's hanging over. Here's another shot right here. The crane crashed right into the aqua pool area here, damaging and destroying one or two of these massive screens, a bunch of seats, all kinds of issues. So you can see on the back corner there the damage and the scuff marks on the hull itself, and then on one of the balconies is bent right over. There you can see it right there. The glass is smashed. It went right across. This is millions of dollars of damage, folks. Anyway, the ship was taken to Cadiz, Spain. If you take a look along the hull here, just above the waterline, there's the scrape all the way along from the dry dock when she listed right into it. She's in Cadiz, Spain. She's in dry dock. This is what she looks like right now. This is a shot from a former dry dock she had, but that's what they're dealing with. She's out of the water. They can work on her azipods, which was the intent in Freeport. They can now repair the back end of the ship. The entire ship will be out of dry dock. They are telling us on May the 3rd. She'll be ready for May the 5th, including the aqua feature here. They're saying that show will go on and all repairs will be made. So we'll keep an eye on it. We'll follow this story. We're glad to hear it. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern, Saturdays at 2 Eastern. We are live 6 days a week talking cruise ships, and we're on top of this Oasis of the Seas story. Subscribe today and throw a thumbs up this way, and we'll see you later, everybody. Bye for now.